In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like and join the group for rivals here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, what you need to do is actually exit out of the game. So leave the game first because you actually can't do this within the game itself, but get on the game page and then scroll down a little bit on the game page itself. And you're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. Essentially, what you're looking for is the tab to join the group itself. This is going to look something like a little like button. So as soon as you see a little like button on here, select it, and then of course right next to it you're going to see a little like person icon. Select that and that'll redirect you to the group. Now for whatever reason it's just saying this is not available for you, go ahead and exit out of the app itself and go to the Roblox website where you can just click on rivals and then like it from there. When you like it from here, you'll instantly join that group. And then of course from there you can go back into the game and it'll say that you've liked the game and joined the group and you're good to go. Alternatively, if it's not in the like section, make sure that you just go to the developer section and you'll see a community or group section in there as well. That is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.